slowly. And I was like, no, I want to do.
Hey everyone, this is Shruti. Welcome to my podcast, I'm Just Curious, where I talk of all things I'm curious about with the people I'm curious about and how they turned their passion into their profession.
Yeah, so I'm from science background. I did my pharmacy because I was always intrigued about science and about like how human body works. I was always inclined towards biology, but I did not find the education system here very pro teaching and learning, and so I kind of lost. I kind of gave up. Like I drifted away from it. Learning is not encouraged, and experience learning is not encouraged. So I think, yeah. And then I've been working with my dad in my family business, and that's about it. Like, so it's like there are so many parts to this. So it just had to happen very randomly. One night I was just having dinner and I was just thinking that I want to do something fun and exciting because the other project that I was working on, because of the pandemic, it was moving very slowly. And so I was like, I want to do something fun and exciting, and and I watch a lot of podcasts myself, and it comes very. I didn't know that it comes very natural to me at the moment. And I also believe somewhere around last year in the pandemic, I also had this thought that we as humanity, like we need to have more and good conversations now more than any time ever. So I think subconsciously it was like much more deep, like it came from much more deeper mindset or thinking or thought process that I think I'm only partly aware of because it's subconscious, but I think it's a mixture of wanting to have fun, doing something exciting, and also at the same time having real conversations with people who are achieving great things and are also great human beings. Me having a conversation with someone, sitting and having a conversation, and if somebody watching that resonates with that, and feels seen and heard and feels like, oh, that's how I think, they're talking about like how I think and what I want to say and the point that I want to make. I think somewhere it will have fulfilled a much bigger purpose than just having fun. So yeah, that's why I started this, so that people can, start having conversations or listening to conversations, and yeah. So I get that. I've gotten that question from quite a few people. That's why I decided to do this. How do I pick guests? People have a lot of curiosity about how do people come? How do I contact them or something? So it's very organic. There's no process as such to it. I speak to people who speak to me, and whose work speaks to me, and who what they stand for as a person speaks to me, and are also achieving great things in the work that they are doing. And B, like I have to be genuinely curious about them. Like it can't be like I can just have someone just for the sake of it, or just people might think, oh, if it's the number of followers that drive how I pick the guests. There's nothing like that. It's just if you're doing something good, great. If you're doing with all your heart, I would love to sit down and have a conversation. Like that's about it. Yeah. So this podcast is, I think I've gotten that question also. Like, who are you? What age group is this podcast for? And who should watch it? And I've been asked that. So I would say this is for anybody and everybody who has curiosity about different things in life. And I think, which is all of us, right? I mean, I don't know any single person, like irrespective of age or gender or no matter what socioeconomic background they come from. Everybody has curiosity about something. So if I sit here and have a conversation about that, and they feel inspired and they feel like, oh, I want to do something about my curiosity. Now I found a way, I found how to work on my passion. So yeah, and it could be like anybody from, say, a 7-year-old to like a 70-year-old, man, woman, anybody. Yeah. So my favorite episode, hands down, has to be the one with Suhani and Digviraj, because because how, the sheer energy of those two people, like the vibe which they sat, and they were so calming, and it made me feel so like it flowed. So my favorite episode is hands down with Suhani and Digviraj from Scooby's Dog Resort. So my favorite moment from season 1 is I think the one that stuck with me and stayed with me was when Mansi spoke about how fluid art helped her students with anxiety, and how it worked as therapy for them. I think hands down, like that, knowing about that and how Mansi spoke about it, and also Mansi's vibe and energy, like she's also very open as a person, and she has a very good vibe. So yeah, I think my favorite moment was when she talked about that. So my favorite guest, my favorite guest from season 1 is Vrinda, for obvious reasons. That had she not been so kind and encouraging, I don't know how this would have moved forward or something, because she was the first person that I spoke to for doing this with me. She was the most open, kind, and genuine person, and it was unexpected, the response that she gave me. And when it's Vrinda from, she will always be special. Yeah. My favorite look from season 1 is the outfit that I wore in the last episode with Yash. I think that that is me, like that, it's comfortable, but at the same time, it's so clean, sophisticated, and sharp that it showcases my personality completely well and beautifully. So I think, that outfit, that look is my favorite look, because that's entirely me. And I've gotten this, friends and family, like so many people have told me this, that when we see you doing this, we feel like you're finally doing something that you've always wanted to do and you loved, and we finally see you being yourself. So I think it's I don't know what to say, like that's the biggest thing, and I've always strived to be me. And somehow if this helps, if this is helping me in just being me, then it's the best. It's the best. So my favorite story from season 1 is, there's not one, there's quite a few actually. One was when Anokhi talked about this cooking holiday in Italy, and I was really fascinated by it. I'd never heard of something like that. So that story. One where Arohi talked about like how she took these kids to Kashmir, and how, where she took the kids to the bunkers where the Indian soldiers stay in Kashmir, which was really fascinating. And also there was one more. There are quite a few. If I name them all, I think, but these two kind of come at the top of my head right now. Yeah. So season 2 is coming out very soon. We are shooting it, and it's going to be very exciting. And we've changed the look a little bit, and it's going to be fun. There are some really good guests that have come on the podcast this time, and we're going to be talking about from space to mental health to filmmaking, you name it. Everything, anybody who has a passion on this earth about anything, we are going to be talking about it.